Hello guys and welcome back to Food by Janvi. So today we are here to review Melt House, जिसकी हॉट चॉकलेट की वीडियो मैंने पहले भी बनाई थी एंड आई रियली लव देयर प्लेस. जैसा भी इनका वाइब है, मैंने 32nd एवेन्यू में ट्राई किया था. नाउ दे हैव ओपनड अप इन M3M IFC in Sector 66 Gurgaon and I'm really excited to try their food and even their vibes are also really good. I just entered and it was amazing. So let's go and let's try their specialities जो भी इन्होंने अभी बताया मुझे, and I am really excited for their drinks as well because they look really good on their Instagram. So चलो चलते हैं. So we are starting very strong with matcha, which has vanilla custard on top, and then we have caramelized banana. I am really excited for this flavor. So matcha is not overpowering other flavors. I can taste vanilla. I can taste that, custardy texture as well, and it's on the thicker end. And one thing that I like is ki the way I want my matcha, ki it should be sweet but not that sweet. It's exactly like that in this. Although the color is not that on the greener end, probably using the same 3 gram matcha everywhere. But I like the balance of vanilla and the custardy flavor and everything. The other thing, I have already posted this hot chocolate video from Melt House and it's actually crazy. बहुत ही अच्छा hot chocolate है इनका. This is their cold chocolate. So let's taste this. ऊपर बहुत ही thick layer of cream है. So let's taste होते हुए. Oh my god. It's so chocolatey. The chocolate flavor is good, but when it comes to the thickness of this, it's shake से भी ज़्यादा thick है ये. I don't know what they're using, but it's really, really, really good. To अब thick करने के लिए there is no corn flour. I don't think so because the corn flour taste is very evident when you have corn flour based drinks. But this is actually good. Very thick, very chocolatey. I am coming back for this और अब मैं hot chocolate ही ज़्यादा इसकी fan हो गई हूँ. And then we have this s'mores latte. So इसमें ऊपर उन्होंने mascarpone cheese वाला mix डाला है and then we have marshmallows. टेस्ट करते हैं. वी हैव अ न्यूटेला लेयर इसके नीचे चॉकलेटी. मैंने मिक्स नहीं किया पहले. Oh wow. The coffee is good. Then you get the subtle hint of Nutella. It's also good. Although I can't taste the marshmallow वाला या फिर mascarpone वाला flavor. I think ये सिर्फ ऊपर ही रही है. And that's also good. जो ऊपर वाला है, आई थिंक मुझे पूरा मिक्स करना पड़ेगा टू गेट दी एग्जैक्ट टेस्ट. ऑल्दो फिर कॉफ़ी जो है ना, इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट आई हैव हैड इन Starbucks और थर्ड वेज. वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट. देयर इज नथिंग न्यू बट पूरा ओवरऑल ड्रिंक इट्स वेरी गुड. सो आई लाइक दिस मोर. दिस गेट्स 11 on 10 and this gets 1000 on 10. Like, it's so good. You need to come to Melt House to try their cold chocolate. And this is 9 on 10. So for the food, we are starting with their fries, loaded fries. So it has this pickle का इतना पतला एकदम जैसे शेप किया हो वैसा वाला layer. The fries are actually thick, very thick. And then there is caramelized onions, cheese sauce, and then mozzarella cheese as well. So let's taste it. And they serve it with the same sauce क्योंकि नीचे वाले layers पे नहीं होगी ना cheese इसलिए. I like my fries thick and these are exactly what I want. It's so good. Although it's not salted, plain fries hai, but then this sauce is adding so much flavor. Same ही sauce है ऊपर भी इसके. We also have a little bit of chives as well. So yeah, fries are good. Although quantity थोड़ी सी कम लगेंगे, but it's good. One thing that they said is their best seller is their cheese, 4 cheese sandwich, which is given with the tomato sauce in a espresso cup. So I think the cheese pull is already gone. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get a cheese pull. Oh yeah, there is a little bit of it. Oh, there is caramelized onions in this as well. Nice. So let's taste this. The sandwich on its own is very cheesy and salty. There's no other flavor to it. But when you dip it in this, it's actually the pomodoro sauce that we have. It's not the arrabbiata. Thoda sa different flavor aa raha hai because it's a little on the tangier and the spicier end. And this combo is so good. Loving it. So I think I'm definitely going to come back for these two. Grilled cheese sandwich and this. Next in line we have avocado toast, and it's not your regular avocado toast. It has mozzarella, chota wala mozzarella balls, and then we have cherry tomatoes as well, and flax seeds and a lot of arugula as well. Let's taste karte hain. So they've cut the avocado और ऐसे बिछा दिया बस. So salty नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. थोड़ा सा इस पे बाल्समिक ग्लेज डाला हुआ है जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा वो टैंगी फ्लेवर आ रहा है. उसके अलावा देयर इज़ नो अदर फ्लेवर, सिर्फ एवोकाडो, ब्रेड एंड दैट बाल्समिक विनेगर प्रॉब्ली. वैसा टेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें. आई थिंक दिस कुड बी अ लिटिल बेटर बिकॉज द ब्रेड इज़ वेरी डेंस भी, और उसके बाद ना चबाने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू आर बाइटिंग इनटू अ वुड. This happens with a lot of sourdough breads. Although इसमें ऐसा नहीं लग रहा because we're dipping it in the sauce. This could be a little better. So this is their toffee nut pancakes. ऊपर से shot देखना इसका, ऊपर से एकदम पूरा इसका जो हमने sauce पे लाई ना, बहुत बड़ा, बहुत ही thick sauce थी. Let's taste it. I expected the pancakes to be fluffy, but they are dense on the breadier side. And जो ऊपर उसका जो caramel और toffee nut वाली sauce है, then we have walnuts over it. It's very good. Although I am not a fan of these kinds of pancakes. I like my pancakes very soft and jiggly. This is very on the cake kind of end. So yeah, as a cake, it's good. It's not that bad. But I am giving this 8 on 10. So this is the skillet cookie, and इसमें ना बीच में चॉकलेट की लेयर है. Cheers. It's so chocolatey, or you get the that doughy texture of the cookie, and then you also get the crispy texture of the cookie, and then you have a chocolate layer इसके बीच में, dark chocolate. मज़ा आ गया ये खा के. Although expectation was like the size would be bigger, but it's small. I think it's fine. अभी इतना हमने already मीठा खाया है तो ठीक है. This is their brownie cheesecake जिस पर chocolate sauce हमने pour की थी. If you could see in the video, let's taste it. The brownie base is very rich in chocolate, and you throw dark chocolate wala flavor aa raha hai. It's not that sweet. And then the cheesecake, it's very creamy on its own. It's not your regular cheesecake जो थोड़ा सा dense होता है. Then you get that हल्का सा cheesy वाला flavor. उसमें इतना cheesy वाला flavor मुझे लग नहीं रहा. Although I would definitely have the skillet cookie and the cheesecake here, but it would be a little better. Bhai, what a lovely place and what lovely food, amazing food. So the place is built like an American Italian cottage house kind of a situation. बहुत different types of themes हैं हर जगह पे, and the food is really good. And the sweets, the desserts, सारा सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. मुझे तो drinks भी बहुत अच्छे लगे. And I would definitely recommend that iced chocolate वाला thing. Hot chocolate भी अच्छा है इनका, but iced chocolate is also really good, really thick. And matcha was good, and skillet cookie was really good. एंड ग्रिल चीज़ सैंडविच। तो ये तो मेरी रिकमेंडेशंस में हुआ, बाकी सबका मैंने आपको जेन्युइन रिव्यू दिया है। सो यस, मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में। बाय बाय।